Hey hi! Before watching this video, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. You will get notification from testing. Chemistry has a direct impact in our life and has a wide range of application in different fields. They are used in agriculture and food, in health and sanitation, for saving our environment and for many industries. Now, let's see how chemistry is used in agriculture and food. It has provided chemical fertilizers such as urea, calcium phosphate, sodium nitrate, ammonium phosphate, etc. It has helped to protect the crops from insects and harmful bacteria, and the use of certain effective insecticides, fungicides, and pesticides. The use of preservatives has helped to preserve food products like jam, butter, squashes, etc. for long periods. And if I talk about use of chemistry in health and sanitation, it has provided mankind with a large number of life-saving drugs. Today, dysentery and pneumonia are curable due to discovery of sulfur drugs and penicillin life-saving drugs. Cisplatin and Taxol has been found to be very effective for cancer therapy, and AZT, azithromycin, is used for AIDS victims. Disinfectants such as phenol are used to kill the microorganisms present in drains, toilets, floors, etc. A low concentration of chlorine, it is 0.2 to 0.4 parts per million, is used for sterilization of water to make it fit for drinking purposes. Now, let's see how chemistry is used for saving our environment. The rapid industrialization all over the world has resulted in lots of pollution. Poisonous gases and chemicals are being constantly released in the atmosphere. They are polluting the environment at an alarming rate. Scientists are working day and night to develop substitutes which may cause lower pollution. For example, CNG, that is compressed natural gas. It is a substitute of petrol and is very effective in checking pollution caused by automobiles. And now, finally, let's see application of chemistry in industries. Chemistry has played an important role in developing many industrially manufactured fertilizers, alkalis, acids, salts, dyes, polymers, drugs, soaps, detergents, metal alloys, and other organic and inorganic chemicals. Including new materials contribute in a big way to the national economy.